Hi everyone, I'm Rashmi, social media manager at Core, and today I have Kobus with me, and he will give us some background on memory and context of AI agent. Over to you, Kobus.
Great. Hi, Rashmi. Good to speak to you again. Yes, I think context and memory has become very important for AI agents, and it's been important for quite a while for conversational user interfaces. So if you think about any conversation, even a human conversation, then there needs to be context, right? Without context, it's hard to communicate. So I would say, so any conversation needs contextual reference. So even a AI user interface needs contextual reference, and context is normally saved as memory. Memory can be past conversations, memory can be within an organization. So we almost see memory as like this triangle where your personal information or previous personal interactions is right at the top, but then you can have lower down memory. Even the internet can be a memory, right? So if you ask questions about sports or world events, then memory can be drawn from the internet, and that informs the context.
And would that be okay if you can give us a demo in the Kore.ai ecosystem?
Yeah, great. That's I'll let me pull up my demo screen. So I'll just quickly do a walkthrough in terms of how we as Core manage memory within the AI Agent Builder. So here I am within the Agentic App Builder of Core.ai, and you'll see here on the left-hand side, there's a whole host of different items. So if you're used to building AI agents, you will know tools, different agents. So on the memory tab, you see I can define memory. I can go, I can add a new memory store. So here I've got memory for sessions. So if I click here, just going back, you'll see the retention is set for 30 days. The access type is session. So only my sessions have access to this memory. And here I can define my memory stepping through. I can set my schema. So this gives you an idea that the memory and context management within the Core AI framework is quite extensive. So you can see the different access types. So is it only user specific? Can the application have access to this memory, or just sessions? I can have a retention policy, which I've defined previously, a summary, and then I can launch this memory store. So I think this gives you like a brief overview, Rashmi, that we've really thought deeply about memory and context, within the agent or agentic app builder.
Great walkthrough, Kobus. It was really helpful. And I will catch up with you again in our next session about fine tuning. And see ya.
Great. Thanks, Rashmi. Chat soon.